If your child does not eat properly or eats properly but there is no significant effect on weight, height or body mass index, this might mean worm infection interfering with nutrient uptake of the child. According to a study, over 24 crore children in the age group of 1 to 19 years are suffering from worm infections, which is around 68% of the total population of children in India. Treatment of this infection is very simple, but most of the times, ignorance on the part of parents makes situation worse. The poor strata of the society is the most affected. Considering the severity of the situation, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is implementing the National Deworming Day in schools and preschools or Anganwadis across the country today. The government has set a target of deworming approximately 27 crore children across the country.
डीवर्मिंग की च्यूएबल एल्बेंडाजोल की एक गोली खिला दी जाए तो इससे क्या होगा कि जितने भी बच्चे हैं इनके पेट के कीड़े मर जाएंगे और सॉइल के अंदर में जो एग रेशो है, जो सॉइल के अंदर में जो डेंसिटी है कीड़ों के अंडों की, वो कम हो जाती है.
Many studies reveal that parasitic worms or soil transmitted helminths are among the most common infections worldwide. Worms interfere with nutrient uptake in children and can lead to anemia, malnourishment, and impaired mental and physical development. The symptoms of prevalence of worms in the body were severe stomachache, lack of appetite, diarrhea, loss of energy, tiredness, and itching in anal region. There are chances that if there are very few worms, children may not have these symptoms.
पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये देखा गया है कि मास डीवर्मिंग से स्कूल की एब्सेंटिज्म कम हो जाती है, बच्चों के पेट के दर्द कम हो जाते हैं, बच्चों के अंदर में जो अपेंडिसाइटिस, गॉल ब्लैडर की कई बार वर्म्स के कारण से ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हो जाता है, वो कम हो जाता है और बच्चों के खून की जो मात्रा है वो बढ़ जाती है.
Government started the deworming campaign last year, under which over 9 crore children out of total 10 crore 31 lakhs received deworming tablet. A study done by World Health Organization tells most of the children between the age of 5 to 15 years fall prey to worm infections, as this is the age when they play outside more and come in contact with other children. This is serious as worm infections are transmitted through the mouth by eating with dirty hands, eating contaminated food, drinking water that is not potable. Besides medicine, worm infections can be prevented by using clean toilets, not walking barefoot, cleaning hands with soap and water before eating or handling food. The National Deworming Day will be followed by a mop-up day on 15th of February to administer the deworming tablet to children who were absent from the school or Anganwadi on 10th of February. Nitinder Singh's report, DD News.